Han, that's dangerous. That means it's dangerous. That means there's something going on.
Okay.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon guys. And yun, late na ako nag-vlog. Itong si Misty talaga, kaya hindi ko ito pinapalabas palagi. Misty! Enough! Enough! Anyway, good morning, good afternoon. It's already 3 o'clock ng hapon. And so, wala kami masyado, hindi ako nag-vlog, wala kasing ganap guys. Andito lang kami sa bahay. And so, I think aalis kami. Mag-ano lang kami, mag-pick up, mag-order lang kami ng pagkain, guys. Kasi kahapon, mag-order sana kami. And then, yun, ginawa ko na yung ginawan ko na lang siya ng pasta. Pero ngayon, mag-try kami mag-order sa Olive Garden. And then, i-pick up lang. I-drive ko lang doon and then i-pick up. So, yun lang yun. And, I think they have delivery. Let's see, I don't know if they will deliver up here. And, so yun guys, and walang ganap, dito lang sa bahay, higa-higa, nag-edit kaninang umaga, and then, continue lang ako mamaya, kasi hindi pa ako talaga finally tapos, nag-relax na ako. Kakaiba guys, kapag ka lang, nakahiga ka lang, parang mas lalong bored yung life. Walang iwan ko, basta yun, parang kapag nakahiga ka lang, walang ginagawa, yung life mo ay sobrang boryo. At saka guys, 'di ba meron ako dito pimples na hindi na siya makukuha kasi scar. May tumubo ditong pimples at sana naman ipag-pray ko lang na mawala itong scar na 'yan kasi siya pimples sa ilalim and then nagbababa. Hindi ko siya palaging tinatouch kasi ma-irritate. Ito naman yung bangs natin. Okay lang naman yung bangs, kumusta? Itong buhok ko ba is nakakairita na. Nakakairita na itong buhok. Itong sa gilid man yung nakakairita. Ganun. Traffic na ngayon kasi Oopsie. 3 o'clock something. Almost 4. Doon na si Habiboy. Tapos na nagbihis. Palabasin natin kasi para gumagalaw-galaw din yung katawan niya. Hindi man lang gumagalaw-galaw. Bye, bag! We will see you later. Hugs. Psst. 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 Uy. You want to go upstairs? He's not allowed to go upstairs. Because he will cry later to go down. Of course, look. Pinangga talaga niya yun, guys. Nag-iisang special na Habsi boy. Siya lang yung pwedeng ihag. Ako hindi pwede. Siya lang. Yung ipo. Inubo na rin ako eh. I'm just coughing because I don't know. I'm coughing. I need to find the address also. Hi, Rox. We will be right back and be a good. Okay? Hi, guys. So, pasensya na kayo, guys, ha. Late akong nag-vlog. Wala ako masyadong vlog. We'll try that first. Kasi, sa ibang lugar po ito eh. Sa ibang, alin nyo po yun?
In 600 feet, slight left.
Okay, saan ba yung malapit-lapit? Okay. Oopsie. Hold on. Saan yung malapit? Ay, malayo ang dito. So, dito talaga kami. So, kailangan na mag-order kasi si Tami kahapon pa yan. Nag-craving yan ba? Ng, pasta. And then ngayon, nag-order siya. So, sabi ko, nag-crave talaga yan. Gusto niya yung Italian food. And alam nyo naman ako, ang alam ko lang is yung mga basic. Hindi pa talaga scratch. Ano pa talaga siya? From the botelya. So, kaya yun. And, so, asa na kaya yan? Meron siyang binalik kasi gusto daw niya yung yawi. Ubo din ako ng ubo guys. Uy, iwan ko na lang guys. It's very cold. Hey, I told you to stay.
So in the car so I get some heat in here.
We're a coughing cow. Okay guys, alis na kami.
You know where it is?
Yeah, I have the GPS here. Oh, you broke that thing. You always do.
Broke one thing.
The garden break. You always hear it. Yes.
Guessing they're away for the week.
Huh?
Guessing they're away for the week.
Why you say that?
Because I haven't seen their car.
They're working.
Yeah, no, they're away.
Hello? Hi guys, andito na kami guys.
Oh, you're kidding me.
What happened? No signal?
Yeah. No network.
I have LTE. I have LTE. So, dito na kami. Ito yung para palang may ano ba, parang dito ka sa parking and then iti-text mo yung number. And I think i-deliver nila yung pagkain dito sa sasakyan. I-deliver nila. Dito yung olive garden dyan. How did you do that? Can you teach me? Just in case.
They send you a text.
And then you put your number.
You click on text and it says, alright, what space are you in?
You pay already, right?
Yes.
You're losing a lot. I know you can feel it's alright.
It's okay. Hopefully I'll lose more.
Han, that's dangerous. That means it's dangerous. That means there's something going on.
It's okay.
I can feel it. It's like you can feel it in your jeans. I know. That's why you see that.
It's good.
I noticed something when Tommy gets sick. He lost weight really fast. But it's not good. It's not good because I know his health is not good. I-ano ko lang itong pagkain ng ano.
What are you doing? You just put it in the trunk.
Huh?
You just throw it in the trunk, I'm sure.
Ito na. This is it. It's for somebody.
What?
It's right here. Yeah. Thank you.
Take care, bye. Thank you. Have a good night. You check it seemed like a big enough bag?
Okay, dito lang.
Does it seem like everything was there?
Yeah. It's like, how many order you got?
I don't know, pasta order with the sides of meatballs.
I will look at it because to make sure.
Scampi.
Seems like it's really nothing in there.
Let's see this.
Okay, let's go. Somebody's texting me again.
Probably that one.
Soon. Okay guys, nandito na yun guys. Alis na tayo. Okay guys, we are back. Hi babies! Look at the monkey. Hi baby! Hello bubbles! Okay, I'm going to feed my kids. hungry. Hola, sorry. Sorry, love. Oh my God. I don't mean to. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Who wants to eat? Eat who wants. They say their breadstick is the best. I don't understand why they say that.
Do we even order breadsticks now?
No, you go with the order. That's the one.
Okay.
Somebody's crying. No, you cannot call us. We're busy here. We are busy. Kain lang kami guys kasi po. Pero bago niyan, ito muna ang mga alaga natin kasi yun naman yung motto nila. Kami muna! Bago kayo! Ganyan yung motto nila. And hopefully, first time ko to guys, itong Olive Garden. Because I wanna go to Olive Garden long time ago. And somebody told me they have a bad food.
It used to be bad. I don't know if it's better or not, but it used to be bad.
Why, did you really try it before? I heard people they say that they stick up. That means people know that they're not really good before. Because that's what they keep saying. And they have good drinks. They said if you stay there, you eat. They said they're
Drinks.
you know, they have that drink that I want to try. The Long Island iced tea. Hi, come on. Hungry. Ay, nako.
With cheese.
It's a cheesy. Okay, sit down, Han. Still hot or cold? Oh, the pasta was so looks so good, Han. It smells so good too. Oh, this is the soup I got?
Yeah.
No!
Why?
It's a thicker sauce.
Soupy water.
It's okay, love. You can eat. Okay, guys, this is my favorite, guys. Sipoli. Tammy's order. And that's Tammy's favorite. And this is the soup. And that's Tammy's favorite soup. Let me try my soup. Yes, try ko lang itong food. It's okay, honey. You're not in it. Okay, I want Tammy to try this soup too, guys. Oh my god, this is like a freaking malunggay leaves.
Cheese. You don't look impressed.
I like it.
Okay.
Sausage and kale and potato. I like it. But you know why? This is my first time eating kale. And this is a cheese. And you know what, guys? The sipuli, it's always been my favorite dessert. Even you don't have dessert, it's like a food to me. Hala, somebody's burping. Oh my god, Han. This is good, Han.
How quick she finished hers.
Roxy? This soup is good. Try it, love. There's no sauce with this, I guess. You are right. This is good. Oh my god. Good na. Olive Garden. I-try natin itong shrimp scampi. I like it lemon eh. Hi guys, ang pakiramdam ko guys is ano na din. Pangit na yung pakiramdam. Sakit ng ulo ko, ubo ng ubo din. I think ano ito, weather. Sabi ko kay Tami, hindi ito dahil sa iyo, oy. Kasi kanina, nag-usap kami, sabi pa niya, kaya nga sabi ko sa iyo na doon lang daw siya sa isang bahay. So ngayon, sabi ko, so ano ako? Anong klaseng asawa ako? Kung pabayaan kita doon sa isang bahay, di ba? Sa weather, ito kasi last year, the same thing nang happen sa amin. Sa akin, nagkasakit ako. Nahilanat ba? Yung parang, ano lang talaga, yung parang sa weather lang talaga siya. Matulog na kami, guys. Pasensya na, guys, na wala ako masyadong vlog ngayong araw. Kasi, alam nyo na, daming tulog-tulog lang. Natulog lang kami kasi. Yun, relax. Nag-relax lang. Dem, where are you? Sumuka na naman siya. Come on. Nay. Roxy, come on. Anyway, guys, natulog na kami, guys. Bye.
Merry Christmas to you.